Hello, pa-check out na kami ngayon from Ibis Pearl. So, lilipat na kami sa Marina Bay Sands Hotel.
Welcome to Marina Bay Sands.
Hi.
My name is Jet from Guest Services. I'm here to help you with your things.
Sure. Hello. So, mag-check-in na kami ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands. Matuwa naman sila kasi meron silang libreng water habang nagkakapila ka.
Expensive hotel, high ceiling with the fresh real flowers. Wow.
Ang haba ng check-in namin kasi nakipag-check pa kami kay Rochelle. Grabe, ang dami niyang binigay na perks. In-upgrade niya kami sa newly renovated rooms. So, yun na.
Upgraded na naman tayo here.
Yeah, yung pinakamagandang room yung binigay niya sa atin na pwede sa atin. Galing. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, bibigyan daw niya tayo ng best room.
Wow.
Para daw ma-enjoy natin yung stay natin.
Galing yun.
So, ang binigay niya sa atin is yung bagong room ng Marina Bay Sands.
Okay.
Kasi di ba may more renovations sila dito. And wait, there's more.
What's more?
Sabi niya, Ma'am, may birthday pala sa inyo ng March, no? Si Gabion.
Ah,
So, magsa-set up sila yata dun sa room ng mga bata.
okay.
Yun lang. Okay. Grabe ang occupancy nila, 100% every day as AM. Ang elevator pala, ang bango-bango, tapos parang room na. Yeah, 24 hours na. 263. This is that. 8263. Hello. Congratulations. Thank you, Lord, so much. So, eto, dito muna kami mag-stay sa room namin ni Daddy. Ito yung room namin ni Daddy. Oh, city view siya. Look at that. Yan. Ang ganda nito sa gabi, for sure.
From Philippines.
Yeah,
Welcome to Marina
Philippines.
Bay Sands.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
so many kabayans here. Enjoy your stay with us, yeah?
Thank you, Vincent.
Okay, you're welcome.
You're from?
Yeah. I'm from Malaysia, Johor Bahru. Yes, yeah.
Oh, Johor Bahru, we just came from there.
Legoland.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so ito yung room namin ni Daddy. There. Hindi na naman nila yung aming kama. Yan, nice. Ang bait ni Rochelle, yung receptionist, Filipino siya. Siya yung nag-assist sa amin. And she upgraded our room. So, ito napakalaki ng TV. We have here with compliments. Ayan. So, it's the... So, punta naman tayo sa CR nila. Meron siyang his and her na salamin. Vanity mirror. This is the shower room. And this is the bathtub. Mas grabe kasi... Yan, siyang malunong kanilang sabon. Tapos ito naman yung CR. Yan ang city view ng aming room. Automatic ang curtain. Ayan, pababa na kami ngayon para sa lunch. So the food court is located at basement 1. Sa food court ngayon for the late lunch. Ayan. Hello.
Agam. Apa? Hi, babe. Maya.
Dito kami magde-dessert. Libre ni Kuya Gigi.
Diba? Bagay na bagay. Kamusta naman ang lasa ng R&B sa Singapore? Finally, we're here at the infinity pool of the Marina Bay Sands. This is the Marina Bay Sands infinity pool. And etong aking family, si Ate Jill. Asa si Daddy? So, ayun. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you, Lord. Love you, Lord.
Thank you.
Ito na yung dream ni Daddy makapag-swimming dito sa
Thank you,
Infinity
Lord.
Pool ng Marina Bay Sands.
Nice one.
Hello, nandito kami sa Marina Bay Sands and we are enjoying its Infinity Pool. May ganun. So ayan, mga pabalik na sa kwarto, sa swimmers. Tada! So yan, Gardens by the Bay. There. Ito ang view nila. Gardens by the Bay view. So this is the room of our kiddos. Room 1893. This is a different room. So there's the CR o automatic. Pag binuksan mo yung pinto. Ito naman hindi mo automatic yung shower. Yung meron silang ganyan. Dalawa rin ng sink. Jomalo ng kanilang sabon and lotion. And they also have a bathtub pala. So this room has Gardens by the Bay view for the kiddos. So we're now back at the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. It's almost midnight pero kala mo araw pa rin dito sa Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Welcome to the fitness center of Marina Bay Sands. Ano? Gusto niyo mag-gym? Diba? Patutulog nila. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Yay! Regalo sa kanya ng cake ang Marina Bay Sands. Grabe. Automatic lahat dito. Yung flash, yung paghuhugas. Diba? May dryer pa. Tapos yung kanilang trash bin, imagine leather. See what's inside? This is the red. Teacups. Ito yung safety box nila. Morning Singapore.
Morning, Lord.
Morning, Lord. Okay, good morning. So, papunta na kami sa breakfast ngayon. Bagong gising. Breakfast pa kami sa Rice Restaurant.
Going to have our breakfast, rice restaurant.
Hello. So, dito kami kakain sa Rice Restaurant at Marina Bay Sands. Yeah, we just woke up. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, true. Thank you so much.
Is it your first time here?
Yes.
So, this is your first.
Okay, sure.
So we're serving international buffet. We do have our fruits counter right here.
Okay.
Some fresh cuts.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure. If I may ask you, do you have any dietary restrictions?
None.
Nah.
How about a coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino?
Do you have a chocolate?
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Thank you. How about any ready materials for you?
No.
Newspaper?
It's okay.
Wants to hear
Okay.
this today.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you so much. So, ngayon lang kami natapos. Ang dami ng pila sa Rice Restaurant. It's na kami, 10 o'clock.
Tapos
Pabalik na kami ng kwarto.
Tapos first time namin mag-buffet sa Marina Bay Sands, like take out.
Tapos na kami. Bye. Bye Marina Bay Sands.
Thank you, Lord.
55th floor. Puntang Sky Park. So going to Sky Park, dadaan sa Infinity Pool. Nakakatuwa kasi yung isang Singaporean na nag-welcome sa amin. Nagtatagalog siya. Tapos sinuro niya si Gio, sabi niya, ang ganda mo. Tapos sinuro niya si Daddy, sabi niya, ang pogi mo. Sayang, hindi ko na video. So, nandito na kami sa Sky Park ng Marina Bay Sands. This is one of the privilege mo kapag naka-check-in ka. Wala nang bayad. Kasama na siya sa pagiging guest mo. From the Sky Park. So,
You're done?
yeah. Hindi na ako pinapila. Sabi niyo kung credit card daw.